So, hello guys, welcome back to Budding Marinas English. This is your mentor Surya. So, yes, yesterday we all know the IMUCT 2026 most awaited results has been already out. And yes, in this video, especially, we are not going to talk about those who have scored AIR 1 or those who have scored a good rank, those who have scored under 1000, under 2000. We have a lot of students in BM, but no, today we are not going to talk about them. By the way, congrats for all of them also. So you might have seen the title, you might have seen our thumbnail, and you might have already understood what this video is about, for whom all this video is about. So I will just start by telling a story. So there was this one boy. So he was like very passionate about merchant navy. He wanted to go on ships. He wanted to become a captain of the ship. And this guy, he worked well in his 11th and 12th standard. He got a good amount of PCM percentage. Then he prepared for his IMUCT, and unfortunately he didn't get a rank. What rank he got was lowest rank, and it didn't help him anywhere that he to know that. So what he did, he didn't get depressed. Okay, he didn't, yes, he did cry it out, but he didn't give up. That's one of the main thing. He didn't go to depression, he didn't cry out, and he didn't give up. That is the main thing. So what he did, he seeked for the right guidance. He went through the right path. He chose for the right materials. He chose the right guidance, and he chose the right group of people to accommodate within himself. And yes, he prepared again. The next year he got a good rank. He prepared well enough so that he got a rank of 2556. And that guy right now is standing in front of you, currently passed out from Talani Maritime Institute, one of number one college from Southeast Asia, and sponsored by multiple companies, and he chose for one company and went for TMI, and he is standing in front of you, guiding like hundreds of students who all are coming into BM Offline Academy, or more students from the southern part of India, just like you guys who are from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and all. So that was the story of me. So I was a failure once, but I would specialize. I would adjective myself as a not like a one or like a top guy, but yes, I am standing in front of you here right now means something, right? Yes. So stories apart, today we'll be talking about the students who got no rank in IMUCT. So we'll be seeing what all are the practical decisions or practical choices you have moving forward. So what all things you can do, what all are the options you are left with. So for each age candidates, I would each I have just categorized for each candidates. Okay. So first we'll be seeing for students who are just appearing. So what do you mean by appearing students? Okay, so this is few of you might not know this. Okay, so basically appearing students are the students who just did their 12th in this year, which is 2020. So 12th, those who have all done their 12th just in 2026, so those are the appearing students. And we'll be talking about the droppers as well. So who all have taken already 1 year drop, means those who have done their 12th standard in 2025 and taken a drop year, still you don't get a rank in IMUCT. So we'll be talking about you guys as well. But first of all, let's see what all things not to do. First things first, just don't panic, and you can cry it out obviously. And the next thing which you don't have to do is that you need to make yourself understand that it's over, and there is nothing much you can do about it. Whatever is done is done. IMUCT 2026 is over. Now it is time to leave it out, but not give up, and start your preparation, and start your new decisions or new journey, new path, whatever it is. And work for that. That is what we are going to do, and what all things come in between, that will be discussing in today's video. So before that, now just realize that without IMUCT 2026 you are not eligible to appear for this August batch as well as next year's 2027 Feb batch. So just clear the air around your head and put this into there. So whoever calls you, whatever personal, whatever agencies, whichever institute contact you, they might say, okay, no issues, we will give you admission without IMUCT, we will give you admission without sponsorship. No, 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 that is the biggest scam which you will be facing going on nowadays. So there will be someone calling you, some agency calling you, or some any other third tier, third rated institute, they will be calling you, telling that no IMUCT is needed, no sponsorship is needed, just come to our college, pay the fees, and you can start your course and start your merchant navy career. No, that is not going to happen, and that is a scam right there. Okay, so first of all, we'll see what all are the practical choices, what are all the practical decisions which you can take as an appearing student. So again, we have some criterias here. Okay, so first of all, if you are someone who has a PCM, you are an appearing student and you have a PCM less than 60%, what do you have to do? So less than 60%, anyway you are not eligible to start your courses for your merchant navy. So what you have to do, you have to go for your improvement examinations. So whatever board you choose, be it the same board which you have done your 12th standard, or be it the NOS board or any other open board scheme, so you can do your improvement exams, you can give your improvement exams, take a drop year and reappear for your IMUCT 2027. But the drop year should not be just a drop year, it should be planned, it should be strategic, and it should be in the right way and with the right guidance. So that is what these people should do who all have less than 60 PCM. Now we'll talk about the people who are having PCM on 60 to 65%. Okay, so if you guys, if you are a girl, yes, again I would say you don't have to take go for improvement exams, but yes, again take a drop year. You have to take a drop year because you don't have an IMUCT rank with you. So take a drop year and prepare for your IMUCT 2027. So that is the best thing you can do as an female candidate. And if you are a male candidate, again go for your improvement examination and make sure you at least get 70 to 75 percentage mark after your improvement examination, so that you can convince yourself or you can compensate whatever drop or improvement you have done with your PCM percentage marks. So go for improvement, score 70 to 75 plus percentage in your PCM, and yes, take a drop year and appear for IMUCT 2027. So that is what you will be doing as a PCM holder with 60 to 65% in your PCM. And then comes more than 70% people in their PCM. You can straight away take a drop year. You can take our batch if you want the strategic planned preparation. We have a dropper batch going on right now. So you can opt for that, come in our offline academy, or you can stay at your home. If you are disciplined enough, you can stay at your home and choose for online classes and take a perfect guided strategic drop year and get a good enough rank in your IMUCT 2027. So that is it for the appearing students. Now we will talk about the dropper students. So if you have already taken 1 year drop in your IMUCT, for this IMUCT 2026, what you have to do as a 70% or above PCM holder. Okay, so first of all, as a female candidate, I can make sure that you can go for a drop year. If you are that serious about merchant navy, you can go for a drop year. And especially at budding mariners, we have 100% selection rate for female candidates at budding mariners, be it online or offline. So that is for female candidates. And let's talk about male candidates. Male candidates, more than 70%. Yes, I would say you can take a drop, but it really depends upon your preparation, your how motivated you are, and how dedicated you will be, because you have already taken 1 year drop, right? So it should be really strategic, it should be really planned, and there will be no going back, because you are committing the 2 years of your life. So it is your choice in the first hand. But yes, if you are that committed, that dedicated towards merchant navy, yes, you can take a drop year as well. That is for the male candidates. Now, if you are a dropper and you have a PCM less than 65%, I would give you multiple options, but really I would suggest not again take a drop year, because already you have less than 65% and you're already a dropper. 1 year you're already taken a drop, and you don't have to, it's not worth it. I would say not take a drop to take a drop year. But you have an alternative option. One, you can go for BTech in mech. Okay, you can go for BTech in mechanical engineer in any other colleges, in your nearby house colleges. You can finish your 2 semesters, which is your first year you can finish, and you can go for lateral entry. Yes, you can go for lateral entry into the second year to BTech Marine Engineering in colleges like TMI, you can go for IMI, you can go for Ganpat. All these colleges for BTech in Marine Engineering, you can go for lateral entry. That is one choice. Or the next choice which you have is to complete your BTech Mechanical Engineering, and after that you can go for GME. So GME is basically graduate in marine engineering. Okay, so once you complete your BTech Mechanical, you can go for 1 year GME with a sponsorship. Companies like Anglo Eastern, Great Eastern, V Ships, even Maersk gives a sponsorship for GME. Or you can go for BTech in electricals, electronics, EEE. All these BTech you can do, and you can go for ETO course as well, which is a 4 month course, and you will be going as an ETO cadet. And if you complete GME, you will be again going as an engine cadet. So these are the few options you have as the particular PCM holders. If you are an appearing student, if you are a dropper, so these are few of the options which is left with you, which are the real practical choices and decisions which you have to make. And the next thing, you can go for any other fields as well. If not a merchant navy, your life is not ended here, your destiny is not ended here. See, so there are students who have already cracked IMUCT and cracked sponsorship, so they have already made their way. This is time for you to make your own way. Might be it merchant navy, might not be it merchant navy. Your way, that you have to make your decisions that pave the road for your path. So it's your choice, it's your decision. And just remember that just not being your name or not being your roll number in a rank list or in that rank card doesn't mean that you are a failure. And just put that right into your head. You are not a failure. It's just another paper, it's just another test. Your real life just starts from now, and every failure is a lesson. Just take every failure as a lesson, and trust me with this, nothing ever can destroy you or make you a failure in your life if you just keep this lesson like uphold with your heart. So take every failures as a lesson and move on with life. Nothing is ended here, it's just another paper. So you can try again, you can try harder, fail again, and fail harder. So that's it. that was it today's video. So, and if you have any other doubts, or if you want to clear any particular doubts of yours, or if you want to prepare for IMECT 2027, just fill out the Google Forms in the description, or just call me in this number below, and I'll be calling you personally. That is my personal number. So yes, that's it. I am not expanding. We'll just wind up this video. So just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And yes, bye bye. Thank you. Take care. All the best.